Happy Halloween. I am making a cocktail this week with candy corn. That's right, the candy corn, that's the biggest candy in Halloween. And I'm making it very, very simple today. It's the stuff that you can get. It's not complicated. Everything is so easy. It's really surprisingly good. And it's all probably at the grocery store 5 minutes away. So what we'll do is we'll always start with the infusion, and I'm just gonna keep it really simple. This is exactly one bag of the typical bag of candy corn, okay? So you're gonna take one bag of candy corn and infuse it into 1 bottle of vodka. Okay, any vodka will do. Infuse it, and look at that. This is really only needs to sit, and it can sit longer, for about 3 hours. But what's important is it will start to have some residue. You definitely have to stir it up, okay? So because you really wanna get all that dissolved as much as possible into the alcohol. And then we're just going to make a really simple sour. We're actually going to blend it. I thought it would be fun to blend it. We're going to pour it as a cup into these baby pumpkins. So you can take a baby pumpkin. Just be very, very careful kind of cutting it out. But you clear it like you would for a jack-o'-lantern, right? And we're going to use that as the kind of the serving piece. And let's do it. So anytime I do a blended drink, I up the citrus a little bit in agave, and I also up the alcohol. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 ounces. We're going to do 3 ounces of the candy corn infused vodka. So I put 2 ounces of that, 3 ounces of that. I'm going to use 2 ounces of Pom juice. So this is actually from Pomegranate Juice, but from the company Pom. So definitely you can find that easily. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of lime juice. And 1 ounce of agave syrup. And then we'll put ice. We'll put ice in it and blend it. So usually I do like 2 handfuls of ice, from the refrigerator. Because you want it to be blended, but you don't want it to be too slushy, right? You want to be able to drink it. So give that a blend. And then we're going to pour it into this nice little cute little pumpkin here. You can go all the way to the top, right? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the seeds that I took from the pumpkin and I sauteed them up just with olive oil and salt. Put those on top. Put a few pomegranate seeds, which is amazing. And then what's great about this is I have a straw that you can use, right, which is going to work great. But the spoon, too, it's really good to get the ingredients of the seeds and the pomegranate seeds together. All right, let's give that a sip. Whoa, wow, that is like, I'm not saying it's candy corn because I know, but you are eating like a treat from your pillowcase. Oh my God. That is cool. I'm really, really surprised. Wow. Super sweet, but like, oh, this is perfect when the kids or whoever is like going trick-or-treating. You're just sitting back. No one knows what you're drinking. Okay, but let's take a little bite with the spoon, okay? Because I think if you can get the seeds in that, I mean, what a contrast. Listen, I love making drinks. I've made a lot of different drinks. This is really, really fun. I think you're gonna have a lot of fun with this. Happy Halloween, trick or treat, and see you soon.